Every major market crash follows the same pattern, and most investors miss it every single time. I'm Michael Kelly. I've spent over a decade on Wall Street at firms like Barclays, UBS, Mizuho Securities, Citigroup. I've been at most major financial institutions in Manhattan. I've seen three major market cycles, and I teach this stuff at Hofstra University and historically taught at Yeshiva University as well as Baruch College. My book, The Wealth Almanac, breaks down the historical patterns that repeat in markets, panics, booms, crashes, and shows you how to read them before they happen. It's not theory. These are the same insights I've used in trading technology and risk management for over a decade. In 88 pages, you'll learn what Wall Street veterans know. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And if you recognize the rhymes, you can position yourself ahead of the crowd. The Wealth Almanac, available now on Amazon and Kindle, paperback, hardcover, and also audio. Thank you.